Hello, viewers. This is another episode of Aisha's Academy. Here, let me tell you how you can easily improve your conversation skills. Do you still get jitters before opening your mouth? Or when someone comes, you're like, what am I supposed to say? Well, don't worry, I have the solution for you. This is Aisha, and welcome to another episode of Aisha's Academy. Today, I'm going to practice some common English conversations which you too can see and practice with me. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and watch till the end as I'm going to show you two sample conversations. So next up is different ways of replying to the same thing. So these are the things when you can say when you see someone visiting you. Can be, hello, how are you? Or how have you been? Or hello, what a surprise. What are you doing these days? I'm fine, thanks. What about you? I'm good. What about you? Oh, I'm doing great. And you? Oh, I have been staying home and saving the earth. And how is your family? What are you doing these days? Everyone at home is good, thanks. And what about yours? Oh, I have been learning English communication classes online these days. Oh, that's great to know. Share the details with me also. I'm promoting my business these days. Well, I have some duties to attend to, so I have to go now. Catch you later. I have to go now. Let me take your leave. Let's plan an outing when things are better. Have to go now. Bye. Sure thing. Let's catch up. Bye and take care. Hope you're enjoying the video. Now we have sample conversation number 1. So stay tuned. So now I'm going to show you two sample conversations. Do watch till the end and do like and subscribe to my channel as well. So here goes the first conversation. Hey, how are you? What a pleasant surprise. How have you been? I'm doing good. Studying from home since you know all the universities are closed now. Okay. And well, I'm taking online classes these days. Good to know that. And how's your family doing? Well, they are all good, thanks. But we are trying to be good citizens and we are staying more at home these days. Good to know that. Yes, we all should be careful these days. And it was great to catch up with you. Have to go now. Catch you later. Sure, I too have to attend to the grocer shop for buying some essential commodities. Take care. Bye. Here is another sample conversation which you can watch and practice. Before we proceed, here's a pro tip from me. You can pause and watch it again and again to be perfect. Hey, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And what about you? I'm fine, thank you. Working from home these days. Well, I'm not that lucky as you. I have to attend to my work every day. But I do take care of all the precautions. There are a lot of digital ventures. Why don't you research and take up any of those? Even you can sit at home and do a lot of things online. Oh yes, I have heard the same too. My friend has told me recently that there are so many things online which we can do. Yes, it is, but be careful and do your research before signing up on anything. You don't want to land in trouble, right? Good thing, bro. Thanks for the advice. Now I've got to go. See you later. Oh yes, I too have some duties to attend to. Bye and take care. So you see, these were some of the sample conversations. What you have to do is you can watch and learn. You can see this video again and again, promote and share it to your friends. Do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to it, and you can practice with me. The more you practice, the more you'll become perfect. So let me take you towards a journey of fluent English. Catch you later. Bye.